I never realized how much I loved wool pressing mats. Honestly, I just started using these about a year ago. This little pressing mat fits perfectly next to my sewing machine, and I can't tell you how many trips it saves me up and down to the ironing board. I absolutely love it. Now look, we have our own brand of these. It's the So Creative brand. And we just came out with all these fantastic sizes. See my half square triangles just for size. This is one of the little Mini Oliso irons. I use that next to my sewing machine as well with this mat. This is 100% New Zealand wool. And these pressing mats are such that they intensify the heat. So when you're pressing the front, you're also pressing the back, which I really love. I would not do without one of these now in my sewing room. I will always have one. So look what's fun. Now we have our So Creative, there's a baby one, 4 inches square. If you're doing these tiny little half square triangles, that is fantastic and it's cute. Let me turn that around here. Then we have an 8.5 inch square. Not bad at all. We're getting into the sizes I like more. 13 by 13, great for next to your sewing machine. The one I have here is 17 inches square, and it's fantastic. And then look, it doesn't stop there. 14 by 18. 14 by 18. That's getting into bigger quilt blocks. Not bad at all. And 17 by 24. You have very large quilt blocks that you want to press the back of. This is fantastic, and you can do it all while you're sitting down, but that is not all. Look at this guy, 21 by 58. 21 by 58? I haven't even taken this out of the bag yet, I promise you, so bear with me a minute. 21 by 58. This will calm down once you put some heat on it. Look at this thing, it's bigger than my table. This is bigger than my table. I'm gonna let it hang down over there. If you are gonna do an entire quilt top that you wanna just start pressing in different areas, this thing is fantastic. I could probably lay on this. I think these are great. So Creative wool pressing mats. Check them out at Sewing Parts Online. And look, we also have a cleaning tool. This is called the wool mat cleaning tool from Gypsy Quilter. This is one of these, it's kind of like a lint scraper for that because you get all these threads in here. This thing is like magic. I love it. So check that out too. I hope you'll like us and follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But otherwise, take a look at these. Get yourself a wool pressing mat today. I promise you won't be disappointed. And happy sewing.